Hello, my name is Amber Schneck, and my topic is how much are Americans consuming sugar and what is it doing to our health? Through this PowerPoint, I will be listing in order how my body paragraphs will be organized and what topics they will discuss, as well as the general idea of information they have in each. The topic I will be going over first is what is sugar and how much are we consuming. I will first talk about the types of sugars. There are three types of sugars: sucrose, lactose, and fructose. Studies have shown that fructose is the worst type of sugar, with it showing that those who consume fructose were more likely to crave high-calorie foods. Fructose also affects part of the brain that tells us when we are full, and it stimulates more fat production in the liver. The sugar that is best for us are natural sugars, like those found in fruit. But whatever foods we eat, most of the time it isn't just fructose or any one type of sugar. It's usually a mix of all sorts. Next, I'll explain how much we should consume and how much sugar we do consume. Well, the American Heart Association, or the AHA, says women should have no more than 6 teaspoons or 25 grams per day, and men should have no more than 9 teaspoons or 38 grams per day. Children's limits vary, but it's between 3 to 6 teaspoons or 12 to 25 grams per day. Although we have these recommendations, we are still consuming about 57 pounds of added sugar per year. 16% of our total caloric intake is from added sugars, and sadly, sugars just keep getting added into more and more products. The second topic is how much sugar is in most foods. The information in this paragraph We'll first talk about how we are blindsided with how much sugar we are consuming, and at the end name a couple we already knew as well. Well, apparently we have been blindsided because a lot of the foods we wouldn't consider having sugar in it has quite a bit actually. For example, tomato and sweet basil bisque canned soup. Yes, it has the word sweet in it, but it's crazy to know that it has 48 grams or 12 teaspoons of sugar in it. Because it has 2 servings in each can, if someone consumes the whole thing, they will be getting well over the amount of sugar we are supposed to consume, just from one little can. Other items that have quite a bit of sugar in it are sodas, which most already knew, and breakfast cereals. Also, yogurts, which are considered to be healthy, have crazy amounts of added sugar as well. The next topic is what does sugar do to our bodies? This paragraph explains all the ways sugar harms our bodies. Well, unfortunately, sugar is linked to many health issues. Sugar can affect from our mood all the way to promoting cancer cells. It has also been shown that sugar can be highly addictive, even being worse than cocaine. So not only is it hurting our bodies, but it's hard to quit it. Sugar has been said to raise depression and cause the parts in the brain that tell us to stop eating. This results in becoming overweight, which can lead to many other health problems like obesity. Sugar also makes you more tired, which also results in obesity because we will not want to do physical activity. I will touch more on obesity in the next slide. Sugar also rots your teeth and causes cavities. It also causes inflammation and worsens joint pains, as well as damages the liver and arteries. Sugar causes your artery walls to get inflamed, which results in stressing our heart and damaging that as well. Our pancreas can break down from sugar, and lung cancer cells are fueled by sugar as well. The fourth topic is how sugar is connected to obesity. In this paragraph, the information will be about how sugar affects our body, which can lead to obesity, which also leads to other health issues. There are many ways sugar is linked to obesity. One that I said earlier was that sugar causes people to feel tired, which makes it hard to be active, resulting in weight gain. It also can inflame fat cells, which makes them release chemicals that increase weight. And sugar can cause higher insulin levels, which can cause the body to store more food calories as fat. A study even showed that people who increased their sugar intake gained about 1.7 pounds in less than 2 months. It is also said that those who consume more sugar than average is more likely to be overweight. Obesity also causes diabetes, so it is a chain of events. Sugar causes obesity, obesity causes diabetes. Unfortunately, this affects many children as well. One third of children are said to be overweight. Something needs to be done about this. The last topic, which may be my conclusion, or maybe I will make it into its own body paragraph, is what should we do to help change this? It will summarize what we should do to help decrease our sugar intake. Well, firstly, cutting out all added sugars, which is very difficult, unfortunately, with so many foods having them, could have great benefits to our health. Added sugars are not needed for our health and have zero nutrients and are empty calories. However, just because sugars can be bad, not all are. Fruits have sugar, but those are natural sugars, which show no bad effect on our health. But stay alert, just because something is labeled as healthy does not actually mean it is. A lot of products will remove fats to call it healthy, but add in way too much sugar to help it still taste good. All in all, the best thing to do to help limit your sugar intake is read food labels. And here's my works cited. Thank you.